Good afternoon, everyone. So we are headed down to the Henry Mountains here in Utah. My brother drew the tag, and so me and the kids are headed down to meet up with my family down there and have a fun weekend camping. So I was at Walmart getting our treats, and I came across these Mr. Beast cookies. So we are going to
I'll open them.
Try them and see what they are like.
We have never tried them.
No, I didn't even know they were a thing.
That is strong.
The smell?
Yeah, I can smell the chocolate chip. And the flavor is just chocolate chip.
It says they're plant-based, so I'm not quite sure what that means. Let's see it.
Oh, it's nasty. Here, Kai.
So they're kind of crummy. Let's see if we can get the camera to focus. Anyways, I don't think they look too bad. What do you think, Kai?
They're good. They look like they're old cookies. Like cookies that sat in the back of a pantry for like...
Really, sis?
They look like it, yeah.
I don't think they I don't think they taste too bad.
I don't like them.
Okay. Sam doesn't like them. What do you think, Kai?
Yeah, maybe.
I don't think I would buy them again, though.
No.
But
That is. Okay, give me that bag. There's gonna be our trash. The bag.
no,
No bag.
that's the cookie.
The package looks better than.
Yeah, the package is a lot better than the cookie itself.
Yeah.
But they're plant-based, gluten-free chocolate chip cookies. I'm expecting my teeth, but they're not bad. So we are gonna head off. We'll see you on the other side, guys. So we just made it to Hanksville. We're at the Hollow Mountain gas station. We're gonna run in, use the bathroom, grab a new drink, and we will be headed out to our campsite.
It is pitch black outside.
Kaiser says it's pitch black.
It's black, but not that dark. My hair broke.
Oh.
You videoing?
Yep.
My body's broke.
There's Sammy. So we're gonna go in this gas station right here.
I hate the sand because
Here you go.
Oh, I'm videoing. Hey. Look at the dinosaurs up on the building. They're little dinosaurs. Here, or yeah. If you can see them, yeah. So, look, we're actually in the rocks. So, all that in the rock, and we're looking around. Kai found a gumball machine.
Good morning, everyone. It is opening morning of the rifle deer hunt down here in the Henry Mountains. This is what we get to wake up to this. We got here late last night. They left this morning. I'm not sure what time it was, but they left to go hunting this morning. But
It's an amazing day today. It's actually not freezing cold.
yes, it's nice this morning. So driving up the road from camp, I noticed some caves over on the hill, and so I was driving up to the caves, and the road ended, so I needed to walk. And I noticed their dumping ground right here. of all the old cans and bottles that they have left behind. So for where I parked this side by side, you gotta walk down this old dirt road, and if I was reading right, these are called cowboy caves. There was one that was excavated, is that the right word? And they studied them, what they found in them. So, oh well, look at that, holding up that rock. All I brought with me was my cell phone, so I don't have very good flashlight. I didn't even think about that. Let's walk around to this bigger one. It's quite the drop off. There's a spring in the bottom of the, oh wow. There's wood beams, a wood table, so I didn't think this through very well, because my flashlight does no good. And it goes way back. So we are definitely needing to go back and get a flashlight. Anyhow, I'm gonna run back and get a flashlight and be back. So walking around before I head back to get a flashlight, I noticed there was a big metal barrel, and so I came over to it, and there's an old mattress and some wood. I'm not sure where they were building or what they were building, but it's a lot of building material out here. It's really pretty. I found somebody's old shoes. Noticed one of the cans back here still had a little bit of color on it, but you can't read what it was. The wind is starting to pick up, which means the storm is starting to come in. Probably about 20 yards from the markers that I found two of these holes, and they're deep. So, not sure what they are. They're air shafts for the mines are not. This one might not be as deep. Nope. But I think the other one's an air shaft. Walking back to the side by side, I found this marker I thought was pretty cool. Marks the coordinates of where we are. It's really quiet down here. Probably about 20 yards from the markers that I found 2 of these holes, and they're deep. So, not sure what they are. They're air shafts for the mines are not. This one might not be as deep. Nope. But I think the other one's an air shaft. So my camera's having issues. But there's a foundation right there. So we're gonna have to go check that one out as well. So about 50 yards from the side by side, I noticed some petrified wood in the rocks. And there's a landfill of just pieces all the way down this of just petrified wood. I've never actually seen it in the mountain like that before. And that's the only piece in the area. That was pretty cool.